All right, say it.
Alright, this is the Birdsuit at the Redbull review of the Peach edition. It's pretty good. It's kind of got the Red Bull like stank to it.
Yeah, for
You
sure.
can't really ever. Oh shit!
You know,
That's pretty sick.
What is that?
I low-key forgot.
Wait,
I
no,
don't know what I got.
What the fuck
but
did
it's
you get?
do the review as a tongue relaxer now.
Alright, this is the tongue relaxer review. It's really good because it tastes like Americana.
Ooh,
I can taste the harmonica in it now.
is it like Lana Del Rey?
Wait,
It's like Lana Del Rey.
it's so Lana Del Rey. It's so Lana Del Rey, Alex G, like maybe a little bit of Bright Eyes.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
Shout someone out
Shout
or something.
What?
Shout something or someone out.
Shout out Shoe.
Hell yeah.
Shout out fucking Mitch McConnell. I hope you get well soon.
Is that real? Give a political statement as birds for death.
As birds for your death. We need military police to kill everyone that uses the internet.
And I'll give one as tongue relaxer.
We need little free libraries that give out cocaine.